Hello, welcome to Chapter 7 of our videos on Hippo, the performance profiling capacity planning tool for Informatica. Today's video is about the activity monitor within Hippo. And this is option 5 in Hippo menu here. I'm going to click on activity monitor and you can see there are two options within it. There is a live view and there is a historic view. So let's select live view. If we toggle off the Hippo menu, then we can see, spin across the screen here, the status of all of the executions in our Informatica estate. The screen constantly updates, there's no need to refresh it, and it captures everything which is executing in your Informatica environment. Hippo allows you to see the start time and the duration for each of the active sessions. It keeps them around for 10 minutes after they've executed so that you can still drill down into them before they go. You can drill down into them simply by clicking on the task name, and Hippo takes you straight down into a deep dive into the task and brings the task specific menu options available here for you. We can also drill down into the workflow itself. And again, we have the workflow specific menu appearing here on the left hand side, and we can view the activity within the workflow, and we can view the history and so on. Let's go back to Activity Monitor. Hippo also gives the status of the workflow within Hippo itself on the left hand side here. A green box with a white arrow indicates that it's been successfully profiled. A little stopwatch indicates that the task is running and it will be profiled in completion. And there are a couple of other statuses which indicate that either the workflow has not been profiled because it falls below the threshold for execution time, or that the workflow is in a queue to be profiled and its full profile is not available yet. Activity Monitor Live. Let's go back to the menu here. Look at the historic view. The historic view gives us a view of all executions across the Informatica infrastructure. This time we can use the time, the date and time, and category filters to narrow our focus. So we can select a particular date and time range, or we could select previous 24 hours, previous month and so on, and we can refresh the data accordingly. We can also add filters to the information which is displayed. We can select a project that we've defined already. We can select an individual grid, an individual node, host, domain, service or repository to display here. And we can also filter directly in the results here by simply typing in part of the name that we wish to focus in on. Perhaps we have workflow called delay_60 that we're particularly interested in focusing in on, and you can see that as I type in those characters that Hippo immediately begins to filter the results. We can also order on this screen, so if I take that filter off again and I click on workflow, then we can order our results by that individual workflow, and we can tab through the various pages of results using these options at the bottom, and we can also select how many we wish to display on the screen using this control at the top. So a very interactive and helpful display. Again, just as in the live view, we can drill down from within the historic view, again straight down into the detail of a workflow or task execution. So a really useful feature, a really great way for support analysts to monitor what's going on in their environment. Because one of the things which Hippo does is it color codes display. So if any of our workflows or sessions have failed, they're displayed in red. If any have dropped rows, they're displayed in amber. And those which have succeeded are displayed, as you can see here, in green. And the whole process of interacting with other teams and with the Informatica estate itself is made much easier through the Activity Monitor. So hope you find that helpful, and hopefully you can join me for the next chapter, which takes us down into the analysis feature within Hippo and gives us a deep dive into the various options which are available there. Thank you.